Okay, let's take a look at getting set up. First, you're going to need a text editor. I highly suggest VS Code. It's free and it works on all operating systems. So before we do anything, let's make sure we have VS Code installed. And I'm just going to Google this, VS Code download, and it's code.visualstudio.com. And this is the text editing program we're going to be using in this course. Now, if you have already written code and you have a different text editor that you prefer, that's okay. But if you've never written code before, let's go ahead and download this program. So for me, in this course, I'm using a Mac, but it doesn't matter if you're using Mac or Linux or Windows. It's going to be the same program right across all three operating systems. So if you're on Windows 7, 8, or 10, make sure you download this one. If you're on Mac, download this one. And if you're on Linux, download one of these two. Once you have VS Code downloaded and installed, make sure you can open up your text editor, just like this. So yours is going to look a little bit different once you open it. Yours is going to be a different color, but ultimately it's the exact same program. Mine's just a different color because I like the accessibility behind it. I like being able to type stuff in here. And it's a fairly easy color for you to read on your screen. So yours is going to look a little bit different in colors, but the general layout is going to be the exact same. So make sure you have VS Code downloaded and installed, and once you have that, let's head on over to that next lesson.